Hi, interdisciplinary students. This is the voice of Dr. Alyssa Sloan, and I just wanted to create a really short video to show you how to enter into creating your portfolio so that you can compile the pieces of your portfolio here within Blackboard. So as you can see, I'm on our course homepage, and I'm going to click here on this link to the discussion and final portfolio. So after you have submitted any question or a request for clarification about the portfolio here, then the next step is for you to, of course, identify the various components of your portfolio. And then what I would advise is that you go ahead and input the 5 original works that you're going to be revising. So what you'll do is you'll click here on the Final Comprehensive Assessment Portfolio, and you can create a portfolio. Once you have created one, then when you go back in to add new information, you'll select the portfolio that you've already created. So this one, I'm going to create a test portfolio for demonstration. And I'm going to hit submit. So you can actually take a tour within Blackboard, which will kind of give you some tips on how to do this. I'm going to click no thanks since I know my way around. And this is the new screen that you'll be able to re-access once you've created the portfolio the first time. So let's say that right now I've found my artifacts or my original works, whichever word you want to use, of my original resume, the research paper from my business program, and I have found the research paper from my, IT program, whatever your 2 disciplines are. And I want to upload those 3 original works today just to get started. Well, let's say I just click on resume. It'll take you to that section, which basically is just scrolling down the screen here. So see, my bar is moving around. So when you click add artifact, and then you from here are going to upload your Word document or your PDF. So this is test example resume is what I'm going to call it. And then this is where you go to and you browse your computer and you find that Word file and you upload it, and then you click submit. So you'll just do that for all of your original works that you're going to be doing, and then of course for the revisions as well. I just want to remind you again that basically the only way that you can fail this portfolio is that 1, you do not have all of the components, or 2, that your revision efforts are not strong. So even if your original work earned a really high grade, it is your responsibility to return to the original artifact and make dramatic improvements. So it is your responsibility to improve sentences, to add new sources, of course not to the resume, but to the papers or to a speech or whatever your other artifacts are. For your resume, what would be important is to improve the look of it and of course update the content. So make sure that you are thoroughly revising your original works, because that is the only way that you would be submitting senior level work for your portfolio. As always, please email the faculty member that is overseeing your portfolio if you have questions. All right, I hope this quick tutorial was helpful.